welcome to our road test of our 2023 23 plate Mini Countryman John Cooper Works. We've got 5,800 miles on the clock. I'm just giving it a little run up this nice clean country road just to see how it drives. It's a 23 plate just run-in car, so it's absolutely bob on. It drives superbly, it's a lovely auto box, smooth as silk, seamless changes. Yeah, there's no warnings obviously. Still well under manufacturer's warranty as well. It is the full-blown, full Monty John Cooper Works, the 306 brake horsepower for ALL4 model. Absolutely loaded with everything you could possibly imagine. You know, you've got all your virtual cockpit, head-up display, sort of touchscreen with your sat nav, DAB radio. Got everything on it. You've got reversing camera on this as well. So actually, spec-wise, you've got the Premium Plus pack, which gives you a heck of a lot. Huge spec on top of the standard, which does include things like reversing camera. It's also got front and rear parking sensors. It's got the rear privacy glass, the lovely black John Cooper Works on its stripes, the really nice John Cooper Works 19-inch circuit spoke alloys. It's got the Dynamic carbon black interior trim, which is like a suede leather trim. It's got all the black roof caps, black roof tops, mirror caps, black roof rails. You've got a huge, great, lovely pan roof, heated front seats. It's got everything. It's loaded to the gunnels. So it was a demonstrator plus the private owner that we've had the car off. They're just not using it, so they've decided it's prudent to sell it on. It's as good looking in the flesh as it is in the photos and the videos, and it drives superbly. It's a great little car, and you get the benefit of the four-wheel drive system as well, so it's a bit more sure-footed and definitely an all-year rounder. Lots of information up on the website about the car, lots of photos, the video walk around that we do as well. But if there is any additional information that you would like on the car, or finance options that we have available, or our delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.